It is the second class of Visual Studio Code Expert course. So, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all and welcome to Shokher Ayna. I am Shafiq Al Zabir, founder of Shokher Ayna, and let's begin our tutorial today. At first, we need Visual Studio Code, so we have to go to a new tab on our browser and search here VS Code download or VS Code. Then one website will appear before you, and it's a official website of Visual Studio Code. Then click on it and click on download section. Then you can see three types, one for Windows and second for Linux and third for Mac. And we will download Windows because we are Windows users. So click on download, then your download will start. It will take few minutes or different time variation. I already downloaded this, so I am canceling the downloads. Then I opened my file explorer, then go to download section, then double click on Visual Studio Code setup, and the download link uh, will given in the description box. You can get the download link, Visual Studio Code download link, by our this tutorial class video description. So go on file explorer, then double click on VS Code setup exe file. Then your process will start. Then a dialog box or a window appears before you, then click on it, accept the terms, accept the agreements, then click on next. If you are new, you can read the agreement. Then select the browser where you can where you want to install it. Then click next, then next, then click what you want, what options you want. I click on this, I tick mark this create a desktop icon because I want it. If I create it, the icon will appears in front of my desktop screen. Then next, then click on install. Your install process will start, and it's extracting files, then install. It's take few minutes and several times. Wait, you should wait few minutes, then your process will finish after a while. Then click on finish. If you want to launch VS Studio Code, after clicking the finish button, click on this box, click the tick mark on this box, or nor you have don't need to click on this. You can search it from the search bar. I am double clicking on my desktop icon, then my Visual Studio Code opens. I then if your first time, the interface will different. I am before I used Visual Studio Code, so my files are already here. Automatically the files comes here. So we want to go to one welcome place, so click on the help icon, the help text help, then click on welcome. So you will come in the welcome page. Then if you close it, some commands you can say here, like show all commands, control plus shift plus P, go to file, control plus P, and find in files, control plus shift plus P, toggle full screen F11, show settings, control plus comma. And here we can zoom our VS Code by press Ctrl plus button. And if we press Ctrl plus minus button, our Visual Studio Code will zoom out. For zoom in, press Ctrl plus button. For zoom out, press Ctrl plus minus button. To show all commands, Ctrl plus shift plus P, then all commands are showing in the top side. And if you click go to file, control plus P, your recent file are showing here. as you are new, you have no recent file, so they are empty. But I have opened many files before, so the in the recent suggestion. And if you press on Control Shift F, find it files, and here you can type what you search in your code, and here you can replace it search, then you can replace like find and replace. So now our next option is toggle full screen. So toggle full screen for F11. If you press F11, um, it will full screen of your monitor. And then if you press Ctrl plus comma, then you can go to the settings. Then here many options: users, workplace, folders, etc. We will learn them later. So it is the explorer. Control Shift E. Here you can explore all files you included in the workplace. So if you click here, the files are showing here. uh, then here open editors, untitled workplace, outline, and from the three dot icon you can choose the options, and from file you can create new file or new window, or open file, open folder, etc. If you click on new window, control shift n, control plus shift plus n, a new window will appear you with the welcome page. Then you can see it on the screen. And next option is search. Here you can search and replace, like as find and replace. And it is git, it's download git for windows. Here a message, it's we will describe it in next time. It is, then it's run and debug. When we write some codes and write and run some applications, and we can debug from here. Then our next option is extensions. So it works like a store, works like a shop. Here you can find many type of extensions to write faster and make your Visual Studio Code more attractive, etc. Like as C/C++, extension pack, themes, and code runner, and live server, etc. We will learn it later on another tutorial video, which extensions need us and which are smooth and very popular. And here you can see C/C++, C/C++, extension packs, C/C++ themes. All three are Microsoft Corporation, built by Microsoft Corporation. And here you can see in settings icon, backup and settings, and here you can create your account, then you can backup all files in your cloud account. And here you can see many settings. Here one sign in button. Here you can sign in by clicking on this sign in button. So our next option, it's account option. Our next option is settings icon. So settings icon, here you can command palette. So Control Shift P, we learned it a few minutes before. So, and in the settings are many options. Then settings, profiles, default. So it in default, okay, it's right. And here extensions, Control Shift plus X to open the extension panel, extension extension panel. And themes, most important, color theme, file icon theme, and product icon theme. So color theme, so color theme, we can, if we click it, we have to click on the color theme, then we see some default fonts saved in the Visual Studio Code. If I search here and press and type here theme, and go to themes, here go to here if we here file icon theme, product icon theme, and it will many type of uses. um, then check for updates. Here if you press here, your visual if your Visual Studio Code is backdated, your update will start. Here my a message show with a window with a message that your Visual Studio Code already you are using already update version. So here you edit, undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, etc. Find it files, uh, and in the selection select all, like it's many functions in here. um, and view, and in the view section, the most important wall dwarf, Control plus Z, Alt plus Z. It's more sorry, it's most important when we write codes. And here open view appearance, then run, Control Shift plus D, explorer, Control Shift plus E, etc. And go option, so sorry, so go option, in go option, and then here three dot icon, run, terminal, help. So help, then welcome. We can go show all commands, Control Shift P, then uh, many things here. And here you can see a zoom in or zoom out icon, a magnifying glass icon. So if we it's a real size, it's a real look of Visual Studio Code. If you go to on real look, the icon will disable from here, and you have to press on Control Shift plus. Then if I see if I drag my off-row keyboard, then here you can see some panels, some icons. So these icons are used for write coding better when we are using. You can see on the screen the uses of these buttons. Here drag a view to view, here to display. So we are drag the explorer panel here, then we can drag the extension panels here, and etc. as we like. And it the customization will much better for in Visual Studio Code. So today it is all for today. Welcome you all to see the full video, and I am inviting you to next class